So I found Karl Marx on this website, and I tried to convince him to invest into the Mars colonization project and possibly buy some Mars real estate. Alright, so this AI tool lets you chat with several different AI personas. It's an entertainment chat app, but instead of real humans, you get to talk to and socialize with AI bots of different personas. There are plenty avatars, anime characters, real life and video game celebrities. As you chat with them, they respond in text, voice, and also give you more context so that you can play out the simulation or scenario in your head. There is a web version of this app as well as a mobile app version. So I'm going to start by heading over to this AI website Talkie. Links are in the video description. This is the interface you would land on, and I have to mention that this website is very easy to navigate. These are all AI bots or avatars you can chat with. They understand the context and also know exactly how to respond accordingly because they take up a predefined persona. At the top row right here are the most popular AI avatars and the ones that are recommended to you. The second row is where you get to see different characters under specific categories like fantasy, modern world, parallel world, game, anime, and so many more. Down here, you can explore characters to chat with based on tags, and there's literally hundreds of AI characters available. So I'll be talking to this one. It's called Miss Circle. Here you can see the context of our conversation is provided. This short description gives you an idea of the persona, the setting or scene, and it also includes a little bit of information about you. So you kind of understand how the AI likely sees you. To begin chatting with this bot, all you have to do is come down to the text box, type your message, and hit enter. They don't even give you a break and respond quickly as soon as I send them a text.
Yes, can you close the door and sit down, please?
They also give you new contexts like their body language and facial expressions as the chat progresses.
No. You're at the top of the class. You're way better. Then average, your grades are amazing.
So I kind of want to talk to someone else, and I'm going to head back to the homepage to find another character to chat with. And as always, the context of the conversation and details about the persona are provided, and all I have to do is pretend to be who the AI thinks I am. Let me see if I can gaslight Park Hanso.
I saw you leave with them. Then, why were there pictures of you hanging out with those guys all over my social media feeds? Do you take me for an idiot? So you're telling me that a bunch of random guys that look nothing like you just so happened to take your exact likeness, and then they chose to impersonate you, go out and party all night?
Aside from having fun with these AI bots and pretending to take on different personas to chat with them, you can also visit the Help Bots section. I think this is really useful, especially the advisor who is a mental health assistant. Here, I pretend to have problems at home, and I can kind of enjoy the flow of the conversation.
Do you feel that their relationship is affecting you and your family dynamic in any way? Let's start by brainstorming some ways you can approach your parents and express how you're feeling. Are you able to talk to them one-on-one? Or do you prefer to have the conversation in a group setting?
As I said earlier, they have a mobile app version for this AI tool. It's fun, relaxing, and also free to use. Use the links in the video description to visit the website and sign up for a free account. There's also a Discord invitation. If you need more info about this product and to hang out with other users, you can as well join the Discord server to collaborate with other people. Thanks for watching.